I've seen a lot of Haggard packages in my day. I've never seen something with so much Russian language on it in my entire life. This is a first. Oh, yeah. Even the eBay turbo kits, you sort of start to figure out that this means from China. But this, I've never seen this in my life.
That's for me electrical, that's a phase. We got some arrows.
Whatever this is, it's for Topoken. And good to know that CBSA had their hands all over your package, so.
Yeah, they did a really good job on opening it up and taping it nice and solid again.
Good job, guys. You really did a good job with your 2 pieces of tape. Before we get into anything today, I just want to say that this Wednesday, February 24th at 3 p.m. EST, we're having what is actually recently announced, my favorite merch drop that we've ever done. We have the signature scoop tees. They're gonna be stocked for this drop, but they're gonna be in stock for the rest of the year. This exact t-shirt design, color, and stuff. I mean, I'm sure they'll run out at some points, but the goal is to have them fully in stock. So we got like the classic Committed Crew box logo, super clean. We got a nice scoop line on it. And then these ones have the Committed Crew 2021 tag because they're gonna be for sale all year. They're not designated to like a certain time frame. We also got the gray toques going back on sale.
Ah, yo, you stocked up?
Yeah, just the gray though, not the blue. Yeah. And we got the 3D crew necks coming out. It's something that I haven't showed you guys yet, but I keep talking about. We have the coolest new holographic focus sticker. That is so cool.
It's so cool.
Hey, get out of here. Don't miss it. Follow the Committed Crew on Instagram or go to the website and sign up for the newsletter. You guys will get reminders. You won't get spam. That's it. Today, we are doing something really cool with Tim's Miata that we picked up in the last video. So we told you guys we had something really cool coming for this car. It's already supercharged. It's already like pretty nice. There's just a level. And you know what I love? It's like you bagging your Skyline. I love when someone is like a car enthusiast and they do the shit that these guys think only YouTubers do. And now Tim stepped into the ring. To be honest, it's Miata next level. For the shittiness of this box, there's a lot of goodies in here.
Well, compared to your Karma kit where it was boxed in
wood. Like framed. Yeah, it was. My Karma kit came in like a coffin.
Yeah, and this came in a single layer box that literally was falling apart in my driveway.
Tim's car you guys have been a part of in the past, and we can't let this slide. This is the first in North America.
In North America, yeah.
I got the second in North America for the BRZ. So you beat me with it.
So this is, the first kit apparently. I was speaking to the owner. The company's called Krotov from Russia. Fairly new kit, and the owner was saying this is the one and only right now in North America.
Oh, we never even told them what it is. No? We're just like, yeah, I got the car. What'd you call this?
It's the Krotov.
Probably pronounced Krotov. I've had a lot of things come from a lot of places. My Karma kit's from Indonesia, but I don't think I've ever got anything from Russia.
No, I've never ever. This is a first, and it was a little foreign for me. I didn't know what to expect as far as shipping, customs, anything like that, and it ended up working out. I was a little scared getting it at first, but it took about a month.
My favorite thing about this is we're gonna have to hide the hardware because there's no rivet holes. Like when you look at this stuff, there's no like Rocket Bunny rivet hole, you know what I mean? It's just like extremely clean and nice to look at.
It's gonna be nice when it's on there. It'll look OEM almost, I think.
OEM plus. Oh, okay. So we got a duckbill, we got a front fender, we got a rear fender. You said this is part of the rear fender that goes onto the door.
Yeah.
And then what the heck is, that's part of the front fender.
Front fender, and this one here to extend on the rear bumper.
Did they give you a number? Like what number are you? Do you know? 2?
Honestly,
maybe
I
1?
have not, the amount of research I've done with this kit, I haven't found any other kit other than the people that make it. They have a demo car, and that is all I can find on Pinterest, Instagram, Google, the interwebs, anything. So it's all
interwebs. He looked on the interwebs.
I looked on
so I'ma just designate it, and people can probably agree. Krotov body kit, number 2. Beat me again. I was number 7. This is ABS. It's not fiberglass.
No,
It's ABS. All right, everybody relax. Everybody relax. Civic's body kit is FRP, so it's like ABS and fiberglass. BRZ is fiberglass, and boy am I scared of hitting it on anything.
All right, let's go, folks.
All right, buddy, just fire it up real quick and let's get out of here.
Yo, this is nice steering, man.
Oh yeah. So we had a run over.
What did we run over?
Hey, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
What did we run over?
We definitely didn't run over the sandwich plate that fell off. It wasn't that.
Come on, work it, boys.
No one ever nails that shit. I can't even nail that shit sometimes. That's good, you're good. Look at your car and appreciate it because it's never gonna be like this again.
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, we can't even tape it up without taking off the side skirt, because this got all this like door jamb piece. Look at the reference of how much wider this car is gonna be on each side though. Like look at the iPhone's just the go-to comparison thing. iPhone 11 Max. You got like an iPhone on each side of your car, dude. You're literally adding double the width of this phone.
Yeah, it's pretty wild.
Wow. How much did this kit cost?
It was on sale, so I got it for $1,000 US, but normally it's $1,600
What?
US.
1,000 US?
Yeah.
Come on. $1,000? If this goes on your car, this kit is gonna be the new kit. Every single Miata guy watching this right now is gonna be like, smashing the keyboard, like buying these things. $1,000 for this. That is.
Well, on sale.
I really hope it fits. So, did you wrap behind this or no?
Yeah.
It's all red. It's gonna look so haggard. So we just gotta rip this guy off, I guess, to test everything because all these pieces, they wanna go down. So what is this? Is this like a...
This is actually OEM. So what they call this?
the Tupperware kit?
No. It's the large Tupperware kit. The small Tupperware kit has a side skirt that just ends like this.
Okay.
And the large goes up. And then obviously this came with it.
It's just came this way.
Yeah.
It's kind of sick. I can get with it. I can get with it. This is OEM Mazda. Look at this. Look how wiggly this is. And this is about an 1/8 inch thick. So it's not like this is out of line with the way it's built, the way it's kind of floppy, and the way it's a little thin. Like, you would never know that because it was solid on your car, but it does the freaking dance when you take it off.
We had a super clean Miata.
I know, and now it's no turning back.
No turning back. Takes off double-sided tape.
I know.
It is a huge difference.
Huge difference. This literally has just got nothing. There's nothing there.
And then the front end is just sad now.
Dude, that's nice and wide. This has like mad Supra vibes, doesn't it?
It does. Oh, dang. It does.
Oh yeah, it does.
Like I'm saying, like right about there would probably be perfect. This is just to size everything up, right? Because like when we conform this like this, it all fit. So whatever, if it pops a little bit, it's just to give us like a rough idea. Okay, so for rear fendy, do we gotta have this door open or no? I'm saying we kind of like how it does that. It comes through the door.
The antenna.
Oh yeah, it's gotta go.
So I'll trim it after, but for now,
It
I'll
has
take
to
it
go?
out.
Yeah.
You're gonna trim the kit or delete the antenna? No, I guess trim the kit, eh?
It doesn't look like there's much trimming.
It's okay, you're actually still in. Beautiful. Wow. The thickness on this girl. This has a really big gap right now, and then this is too far forwards, so then this might just be at a different angle or something.
Exactly.
All right, so on this side, we got the regular thickness Miata, but on this side, woo, dude, comes just,
I know.
the seat is yours.
Wow. Thick booty.
It's
That's a thick booty.
I'm actually really impressed with this. That looks so rad. So we got this, the front piece, this little front spat, or whatever you want to call this. The rear is obviously way wider. Bro, like, if you do this and you don't look at the soft top, this could be a Supra. Everybody's gonna be like, no, it's not a Supra. But it kind of could be a Supra.
And then the new Supra, how it's got the...
Yeah, how it's got the door piece. I think that's what's really giving it the vibes. So that piece needs to push under more. Yeah, it's hitting the way that's on the lift, but we could always move that. The main problem that I'm seeing is not gonna work the same as mine.
Ooh.
Which,
I think we have to hit the drawing board again.
yeah, we're gonna have to think something up because
Okay, well, what we do know is that we can easily mount to the body in some spots, right?
I'm thinking
Yeah.
double-sided tape.
Yeah.
If you have, like, I mean, we saw how much double-sided tape. If you double-sided tape all this,
Yeah.
it's not coming off.
no.
There's no way.
Yeah,
And
so
then you got a mounting point here. You got a mounting
bolt
point
here.
here. Double-sided tape all down here.
couple dads making dad plans over here. So we were thinking we were gonna mount this same as the BRZ because this didn't come with rivet holes or anything. And Tim was like, I don't wanna put rivets in it. I wanna leave it super sleek. So we were thinking of doing like the reverse mount where we, you know, in the BRZ I have fiberglass bolts behind, but on this we're gonna do like some sort of JB Weld bolts behind. It sleeks out way too nicely to the body. It's a good problem, right? Like it's nice, but the body's touching until like here. Like if you put your hand up, which you can barely even do. Look at how flat it is with the body line for how much time, right? There's no way we're gonna get the hardware right there.
No, we're not gonna be able to.
So that's also why we do this, and we put it on before the day we're trying to install it. First of all, it looks badass. The Russians got it going on right now, dude. Are the Russians all driving Miatas like this? This is sexy as it sinks into your car because it's already black. On camera, it almost looks like it's already kind of part of your car. It looks so good. So the front one's not bad, actually. Your front fitment, like, it gives you a nice idea. So if this came up to this body line, it would probably bow this out a bit. And then the front one is also eating the headlight. It should be like at least a 1/4 inch away from the headlight. So that'll get you your 2.5. You just finger tighten the lugs?
Pretty tight. I mean, you could probably put the weight on it.
Okay. Wow, dude. The booty, oh my God.
When it's on the ground,
damn, oh my God. Come on. I think that you should definitely trim this piece because I think that just for lower booty purposes, it adds a lot.
100%.
So I think you should, you should trim that spat right here and put it back on. Like the OEM one, I think that'd be sick. And all we have is the company car to go off of. Like the photos that they made look perfect.
Exactly, they're demo, right? So they're gonna fix whatever issues they have.
We gotta like later brainstorm how or what we're gonna do with the gaps, like the pieces that are like meet the car like this. We're gonna have to figure out if we need to get a bracket or how we're gonna mount them. We still may need to bond something to the plastic. Right.
We gotta take tonight, figure out what we need, figure out what kind of tools we're gonna do, make a solid plan. See if we can do any research on other people that have this kit. I think we should research like people with the ST or the Infinity or whatever you said it is.
Yeah, that's good.
We should see what they did. I think you picked a cool kit. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited about this Russian body kit that we have 1 weekend to install. So look at these boys. The boys are trying to get the fitment all perfect. Like they think it's like so important to get the perfect fitment. Look at them. Yeah, that's about as good as you get. All right, I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed.
Out here. I don't know. I thought the K20 would have a little more oomph.